Imagine slowing down the aging process, reducing your risk of cancer, and feeling more energized, all by adding a few powerful vegetables to your plate. These vegetables are the secret powerhouses that can revolutionize senior health, and I'm about to show you why. It might sound too good to be true, but it's not. We're talking about the incredible benefits of cruciferous vegetables, especially for seniors. These aren't your average vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are packed with nutrients that can transform your health. They're like a secret weapon against aging and disease. Stay tuned as we uncover the amazing benefits of these vegetables and how they can revolutionize your senior years. Let's take a closer look at what cruciferous vegetables can do for you. This group of vegetables includes familiar faces like broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and Brussels sprouts. They're called cruciferous because their flowers resemble a cross. But more importantly, they hold the key to unlocking a healthier and more vibrant you. These vegetables are nutritional powerhouses, overflowing with vitamins, minerals, and unique compounds that fight disease. They're your allies in the fight against aging, cancer, and inflammation. Later in this video, we'll explore each benefit in detail and reveal how these vegetables can supercharge your senior years. Aging is a natural process, but we can age gracefully and healthily. It's not just about living longer, but about living better. One key is fighting free radicals, the unstable molecules that damage our cells and contribute to aging and disease. These molecules can accelerate the aging process and lead to various health issues. This is where cruciferous vegetables come in, acting like superheroes against these cellular villains. They are nature's defense mechanism against the harmful effects of free radicals. These vegetables are packed with antioxidants, which are crucial in maintaining cellular health. Vitamins C and E are potent antioxidants found in cruciferous vegetables. They play a significant role in protecting our cells from oxidative stress. They neutralize free radicals, protecting your cells from damage. And there's more. These antioxidants also support your immune system. Cruciferous vegetables contain a special compound called sulforaphane. This compound is unique to these vegetables and offers additional health benefits. Sulforaphane is a powerful antioxidant that not only fights free radicals, but also boosts your body's natural detoxification processes. It helps in eliminating toxins more efficiently. This means your body can better eliminate harmful toxins and keep you feeling young and healthy. Incorporating these vegetables into your diet can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Have you found this information useful? If so, and you'd like to continue seeing healthful tips to stay healthy, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on healthy living. Cancer is a formidable foe, but research shows that cruciferous vegetables can play a powerful role in cancer prevention. These vegetables contain compounds called glucosinolates, which have remarkable anti-cancer properties. When you chop or chew cruciferous vegetables, glucosinolates are converted into other helpful compounds, including indoles, thiocyanates, and sulforaphane. These compounds work in various ways to protect your body from cancer. They can inhibit the growth of cancer cells, prevent tumors from forming, and even make cancer cells more susceptible to treatment. Studies have linked a diet rich in cruciferous vegetables to a lower risk of several types of cancer, including colon, breast, lung, and prostate cancer. As we age, maintaining a healthy digestive system becomes even more important. A well-functioning gut can significantly improve our overall well-being and quality of life. Cruciferous vegetables are a boon for your gut, thanks to their high fiber content. These vegetables are not only nutritious, but also versatile, making them easy to incorporate into your daily meals. Fiber acts like a broom for your digestive tract, sweeping away waste and promoting regularity. This natural process helps keep your digestive system clean and efficient. This can help prevent constipation, a common problem among seniors. But that's not all. Regular fiber intake can also aid in weight management and reduce the risk of developing certain diseases. Cruciferous vegetables also possess anti-inflammatory properties. These properties are essential for maintaining a balanced and healthy body. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection. It is the body's way of protecting itself and starting the healing process. However, chronic, low-grade inflammation is linked to many age-related diseases, including heart disease, arthritis, and Alzheimer's disease. Managing inflammation is crucial for long-term health. The antioxidants and other beneficial compounds in cruciferous vegetables can help combat inflammation, keeping your body healthy and thriving. Including these vegetables in your diet can make a significant difference in your overall health and longevity. Broccoli. It's the crown jewel of cruciferous vegetables. Among the cruciferous vegetables, broccoli stands out as a true superstar. This vibrant green vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Broccoli is an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports immune function and protects against cellular damage. But broccoli's claim to fame lies in its high concentration of sulforaphane. Remember this powerful antioxidant? Sulforaphane not only fights free radicals and boosts detoxification, but also has been linked to improved brain health and heart health. So next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious vegetable, reach for broccoli. Now let's talk about cauliflower, the versatile all-rounder. Cauliflower is another cruciferous vegetable that deserves a spot on your plate. This versatile vegetable can be enjoyed in countless ways: roasted, steamed, mashed, or even riced as a low-carb alternative to rice. Cauliflower is a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and fiber. Like broccoli, cauliflower contains glucosinolates, those powerful anti-cancer compounds. It's also a good source of choline, an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in brain health, memory, and muscle function. Whether you prefer it roasted to perfection or blended into a creamy soup, cauliflower is a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet. Next up, let's talk about kale, the nutrient-dense superstar. Kale has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. This leafy green vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse, boasting an impressive array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Kale is an excellent source of vitamins K, A, and C, as well as minerals like manganese, calcium, and potassium. Kale is also a great source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are particularly beneficial for eye health. These antioxidants help protect your eyes from age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. So add some kale to your smoothies, salads, or stir-fries to enjoy its numerous health benefits. Up next, we have Brussels sprouts, small but mighty for senior health. Don't let their small size fool you. Brussels sprouts are nutritional powerhouses packed with health benefits. These little green gems are often overlooked, but they shouldn't be. These tiny members of the cruciferous family are an excellent source of vitamins K, C, and A, as well as folate, fiber, and potassium. Including them in your diet can help you meet your daily nutritional needs. Brussels sprouts are particularly rich in a type of fiber called alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that's beneficial for heart health. This makes them a great choice for seniors looking to maintain cardiovascular wellness. They also contain camphorol, an antioxidant that has been shown to have anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory effects. This means they can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and support overall health. So roast them, sauté them, or enjoy them shaved in a salad. Brussels sprouts are a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system or improve digestion, these versatile veggies have got you covered. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite cruciferous vegetable, and how do you like to prepare it? So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the power of cruciferous vegetables today and experience the transformative effects they can have on your health and well-being. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.